I don't want to get too close, but this is that pond that starts on the beginning part of the Hanover Trolley Trail. But I see fowl up here. I guess that's what you call them. Oh, and look at the white ones. Wow. I hate to make them all go in the water. They're starting to move. Can't tell if you can see them or not. Oh, I thought I had white ones over there, but it's some sort of floating device. But yeah, last time I was over here, all these guys weren't here. They're all up against that far bank too. And these are all townhouses. We don't like them. We've looked at them before. They are so cheaply built. Anyway, it's okay. I'll leave. Sorry. Oh. Although it's not that cold out. Yeah. Love my bike. However, this is really only my last ride was Thanksgiving morning. But it's been cold and wet and rainy, so now on my bike ride, I start out, most of my ride is on the street, and I take, that's the far end of Hanover Trolley, which isn't very long here. So I come around on the street though and start at the back end of Hanover Trolley, and it continues on. You turn right here, and that's about it.